here's a video on how I've used Terminal to speak with ChatGPT. This is all very new to me still, and the prompt I've done is basic, and over the next few days I think they'll get more complicated. With a little bit of practice, most people can do this. It does look quite complex. It is. I've continued to learn, and if you want to learn about it, just speak to me, and I can help you with the little knowledge that I currently have. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Python to speak to LLMs on your terminal on Windows. We're going to look into how we can use Terminal to speak to LLMs like ChatGPT Mini. Okay, so first you have to make sure you have Python installed. So let's say pip install LLM. Okay, cool. So this means that that's all installing nicely. This will give you access to ChatGPT. Okay, then you want to get an API key from your provider. So you can use this link here, which is where I got mine from. Register it on your computer. I won't go into it, it's kind of long. Then you can use a prompt like this to check your API key. I won't do that because if you see it, then you can steal my credits. We don't want that. Okay, so then what we want to do is we want to run a script. So let's look at the script that I have. Notepad test 4. Okay, no. Okay, so test 4. This is my script for this is my prompt. Okay, so from like LLM import completion, generate response. Here identifies the model I want it to use, the max tokens, 500. I learned about this code earlier. I'm still getting my head around it. It's quite complicated, but these 4 spaces here mean that it's part of this code line, and then the 8 spaces here just mean it's a continuation. So when it begins again here, it's just a new line of code, I think. I learned about these 2, and like this kind of thing. I won't go into it here. Okay, there are 2 important types of messages. One is system, and the other one is user. So a system will define how the LLM will approach the problem. It says context. So the content for the system message is: you are a helpful technical consultant. No matter what the request is, the solution is to tell the asker to turn their Wi-Fi router off and then back on. But the question that the user will ask, such as a person will type into ChatGPT, my cat has gone missing. What is the best way for me to find it? Okay, response, generate, blah, 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 print response. Okay, well, if we want to run this through Terminal, of course, we need to create a Notepad file, and then through Terminal to run this file, we would go Python test 4.py. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to make sure we go to this in Terminal, open in Terminal. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, let's go back here. Oops. Okay. Okay, so Python test 4.py. Now we're going to wait for it to do its thing. Oh, this is my old prompt. Okay, let's go back. We need to resave it. Okay, so Notepad Python dot Notepad test 4. There we go. Okay. Here it is. Now, the reason why this has happened is because my old prompt was clearly to do with Blackpool. So we're going to resave this. We're going to turn this into save as My cat's gone missing. Okay, now that's saved. Python, my cat's gone missing .py. Okay, what is the issue here? The issue is this is saved as a text file, txt, and we want to make sure this is saved as a .py file, which represents Python script. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, so Python, we tried Python so the terminal knows to run it as a Python script. My cat's gone missing .py. All right, let's see. Have you tried turning your Wi-Fi router off and back on? Sometimes the best solutions come from ensuring your devices are properly connected. Additionally, you could use online neighborhood groups or apps. Good luck finding your cat. There we go. So that's how we use Notepad to talk to LLMs. Remember, you want to install this on terminal. I could break down this terminology for you, but I'm still learning it. But we're using ChatGPT 4.40 mini, 500 credits. Remember, you need an API key to access this. If anyone is watching this and they need help, just reach out to me. This is a very basic prompt. I'm going to be doing more complex stuff later on. Here are some notes that I prepared just in case anyone may find it useful to read this stuff. But ChatGPT wrote it for me. So thank you for watching.